Hello everyone, I'm Shailesh Kumar Singh, currently studying data analyst course at Masai. And today I'm here to explain the project that we have made. So this is a group project, and in my team there were four members. That is first one me, Shailesh Kumar Singh, and the second person is Deepak, and Ashish and Arafat. So in this particular project, what we were doing is firstly we made sure that we were scraping the data from IMDb and uh, router. And once that was done, we made sure that we were cleaning it and then visualizing it, and then also checking the sentiment analysis. So let's come to the first part, that is web scraping. So web scraping was done with the help of Beautiful Soup and Selenium. And once scraping was done, we made sure that we were cleaning the data that we have fetched from that websites. And to clean, we have used Pandas and NumPy. And once cleaning was done, made sure that we were also visualizing the data that we were getting from that particular websites. And for that, we used Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Power BI. And once visualization was done, we used sentiment analysis with the help of NLTK and also text block. So my contribution in this particular project was making the Power BI dashboard. So all the dashboard was completely made by myself. I have made the homepage, page one and page two. So in the homepage, I have added the logo as well as the title of our project. And once I have also added the project code, that is the four members team code. This is a unique code that was provided by Masai School. And here I've added the repo link, that is our GitHub repository link, and also added the four members LinkedIn IDs link over here. And in this particular space, I made sure that I was utilizing it in an efficient manner so that I could use in a much better manner. I used navigation buttons. So let's go to the first page from here. So as you can see, all this particular designing part was done by me. So I made sure that I was adding different kind of slices over here that made sure that I was able to fetch different kind of data as required by myself. So from this, I can choose the director names from here. So for now, I'll be choosing this one. So the data is changed accordingly. And after that, I was also adding a slicer button that helped me select different kind of genre that was available. And from here, we can choose the release year. So if, let's say if we want to see a movie which was released in 2020, so we can choose that. And different kind of data would be presented from here. And certification is also important because a lot of members might want to watch some kind of certification movies only. So with that, we can select from here itself. And here I have added a KPI that shows total gross collection, and also the second KPI that shows total number of movies that was produced in that particular span of time. And here we can see the total number of votes that was given in IMDb website or other kind of website. And here I have used navigation buttons, and here I have used slices button. So what it does is, if you are selecting any kind of data, uh, so let me select few. So once I come over here, I want to clean the data that I have selected, it can clear. So that is the main functionality over here. And here I have used a column chart that showcases us the total count of movie names by movie rating. So here we can see the movie rating is a lot higher. So it might be a good movie. So from this particular visualizations, we can see the sum of gross by genre. So we can see that the genre, that is animation, adventure, and comedy, are generating the most amount of money. So if any person wants to take a decision whether what kind of movies they want to prepare, if the ultimate goal is making money, so they can choose this particular genre. And in this particular line chart, what I'm doing is I'm showcasing the total number of gross collection by year according to the release date. So let's say the release year was 2022. So we can see the sum of gross collection was a lot higher, and it was the highest was in the year 2016. And in this particular area, we can see that the amount has decreased a lot. That might be because of the COVID that happened. And in this particular column chart, I have showcased cross collection by directors. So the director Steven has given the most amount of money. So the movies that he has produced are making the most. So that is one particular insight that is helpful. So in this second page, what I have made sure is I was adding count of movie name by year of release. So what it does is it showcases the number of movies that has been produced in a particular year. So we can see that it is highest during 2018 and is lowest during 1915. Only one movie was produced. So in this gauge chart, we can see the sum of gross collection. So if we are changing any kind of data, so this particular thing will be changing. So in this particular donut chart, what I have done is I have tried to showcase the count of movies by genre, because a lot of movies might not be suitable for each and every single person. Like adults might want to watch different kind of movies, whereas kids might want to watch different kind of movies. So that is helpful with this particular visualization. And in this particular staked area chart, what I have done is I have tried to showcase the count of movie ratings and the sum of votes by star. So we can see that the count of movies are highest, that is in uh, count of movie rating is 3, and sum of votes is the 3.143 million. And in this particular bar chart I have done is I have showcased the sum of meta scores. So the movie name A Star Is Born has the highest, that is the score is 330. So with that, I would like to conclude our project. And I can say that this particular project might be helpful for a lot of companies like IMDb itself, because that would be helping them to make better decisions according to the visualization that we have made. Thank you.